Ukraine to help US and its allies counter Iranian drones in the Middle East, says Zelensky. Ukrainian president orders equipment and expertise to be provided to US in recon to diplomatic support against Russia. Says, we help to defend from war those who help us. Zelensky ke loyo. Sizwa inkulumo kaZelensky. Utheni uZelensky? Bephute ku-X ke la owaziwa ukuthi uTwitter. We received a request from the United States for specific support in protection against shaheeds in the Middle East region. I gave instructions to provide the necessary means and ensure the presence of Ukrainian specialists who can guarantee the required security. Ukraine help partners who help ensure our security and protect the lives of our people. Glory to Ukraine. Show dialogue of Vladimir Zelensky. Unthinkable that he's the obstacle. Trump said about Zelensky. Sibuyele muva ke manje. Ngalesa sikhathi uZelensky ezama ulokhuza uTrump ezama ingxoxo noPutin. Wakusho uTrump ke uthi unthinkable that he is the obstacle. Esho uZelensky. You don't have the cards. Now he's got even less cards. Esho Vladimir Zelensky. Trump maintained that Ukraine's leader is not showing enough willingness to negotiate. Zelensky has to get on the ball, and he has to get a deal done, according to Trump. Putin is also ready to negotiate and end the war. I think Putin is ready to make a deal. Kwakusho uTrump. Asazi ke uthi sibibazwana futhi. Breaking news. US Treasury eases oil sanctions on Kremlin, allowing Indian refineries to buy the millions of barrels of Russian crude oil on floating storage until early April. The new rules cover all the oil already loaded in the tanker by March 5. Massive win for Putin. Hey, can you believe it? Ukuthi US has gone all the way ukuthi ixegise ama-sanctions ukuze ikwazi ukuthi kutholakala oil. Lo nje bekade besanction iRussia. Ngenxa yani ukuthi na sebenenkinga yokuthola oil ngale ke manje Middle East. Now they want to ease the sanctions on iRussia ukuze bakwazi ukuthola oil. Inkinga ke le. Akunayibona ipolitiki ukuthi njani. Geopolitics at its best. uTrump icon kuhleka yedwa ke manje uPutin iyahlafuna iRussia. Spokesperson we IRGC uthi akahleki nehlekisayo. Uthi we are ready for long war to punish the aggressors. Iran's new weapons and innovations are on the way and have not been deployed at scale yet. The enemy should expect painful strikes in every operational wave. Isho njalo ke ziyakhala ziyatetema ke manje. Khumuka umakarapa amathaxonsele entshebeni yilephu siyaqandula. Today's episode esiqandulo is brought to you by Kiwano Belly Plus Tea. Yitiyele loqeda umkhaba lokhahlelwa lahlele wena wabona khahlela izibi ebhasini la kamasipala. Kule show namhlanje sinilethele udaba. In today's show, we bring you udaba lase Iran, oluphethe impi lase Iran, which is between USA nama allies abo Israel belwa ne Iran. Now, we will start first by talking about ilokhuza this Iranian military wing, which is called the IRGC. Yeah, la ubrigadier wakhona ubrigadier General Ali Mohammed Nayeni. Ethi khona, we are ready for a long war to punish the aggressors. Iran's new weapons and innovations are on the way and have not been deployed at scale yet. Enemy should expect painful strikes in every operational wave. Usho njalo, yeah. Uthi uGeneral Ali Mohammed Nayeni uthi seberedi for ukupunisha ama-aggressors abo, which means ama-opponents abo kuyimelika ne-Israel. Bathi khona uhlobo lwezikhali oluzayo oluzoza impela luningi kakhulu abangalisebenzisi kakhulu. Shuthi impela ke izitha zabo abakazi zithi ukulindela ukuthi impela ke hayi sazohlaselwa kakhulu. Lokho senziwe kusencane kakhulu. Uthi okuzayo kuyasabisa. So now ake sihlazela ukuthi uthiwa who are the IRGC? What does that mean? It's an abbreviation. Igama elinqamlelo elifishane le Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, which is the elite military and ideological force yalapha Iran. So ligama elinqamlelwe. So singathi sithi amasosha alwela irevolution yalapha ilokhuzeni Iran. Masingathi sithi lolu phiko lolu lasungulwa ngo1979 asibe kahle siqale kahle sisize kahle nayo le ndaba le. It's a branch of the Iranian Armed Forces established in 1979 by Ayatollah Ruhollah Khomeini following the Iranian Revolution. Okay, ake sibuze ukuthi ke who is Ayatollah Ruhollah Khomeini? Is the first supreme leader yase Iran. Eyangena ngo1979 emva ukuthi ketulwe wayekade omengameli wakhona Iran base bengena ngerevolution. That is when they decided ukuthi no, we need a revolutionary wing, because Iran inamasosha njengawonke amazwe. There is an army, national army, a national defense force njengawonke amasosha nathi sine SANDF la South Africa njengawonke amasosha nakwamanye amazwe, but diyobona banale army yawo eseceleni ebizwa ukuthi yi-IRGC, which means Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, which is the elite military and ideological force yase Iran eyasungulwa wena ke first supreme leader ngo1979 ngena nje. So with the primary mandate to protect the Islamic Republic and its ideological foundation. The IRGC is tasked with preventing foreign interference. Ayonke indaba. Umsebenzi wayo omkhulu ukuvikela ukuthi abangaphandle bangangeni bagxambukele kakhulu endabeni zase Iran. Nakwinje Islamic lokhuza lawo manje amazwe wonke nje lawo iIslam abakankile. So ukuvikela nje ukuthi nina bomelika njengoba kuyolona azwe egxambukela kakhulu endabeni zamanye amazwe ukuthi lingalinge nje lize lizogxambukela lapha. Bangalinge nje bazoyenza le propaganda yabo kulela lizophakathi ba influence ingaphakathi lezo. So yimisebenzi eminye imisebenzi yabo ke leyo abayenzayo. It is also suppressing internal dissent and countering coups or movements that threaten revolution. Here's indaba. Kushuthi nina ke manizozake nithi ndizofuna uketula umbuso. Hayi nophela nayo impela iIRGC. Yona impela uzobhekana nayo manje ndifuna uketula umbuso. If you want to come with your coups and you want to do some coup d'etats, this is the military wing you'll be faced with. Yeah, yona nto ke abayenzayo ke. The IRGC operates multiple branches including army, air force and intelligence units. Bakhona ke yonke indawo ke ba umbutho wezokuvikela, bakhona ngisho emanzini, bakhona na kuma air force bandiza. Hey, baphethe ngisho nezobunhloli. Manje ke abantu ngebenza bayi army nje phelele. Njengoba sithi ke bana military ka government. Lena ke yenye ke egatele izinto sesishilo. Yabona impela ke leli zwa lidlali ngempela ingakho ke li threat emazweni amaningi ase West and overseas paramilitary forces such as Basij militia, which functions as a domestic enforcement and volunteer force. Igada-ke nayo iBasij militia esebenza njengelokhuzake yasekhaya, njengophiko lwasekhaya-ke okulwa kulona-ke amavolontiya. Shuthi-ke kuyavolontiwa-ke amakhona amasosha amavolontiya-ke abhekelelwayo nje ngemali angazohola nje umholo oqondile, kodwa ayabhekelelwa nje. Nalo-ke libabhekelela nalabo-ke impela ukuthi-ke ngabe kusahamba kahle yini kulama volontiya abizwa ukuthi iBasij militia. Okay, right. Kukhona-ke nelokhu ibizwa ukuthi i-Quds Force. Ayikhona. You must forgive me if ngihlukumeza leli gama leli. But it is called the Quds Force. It's a UDS force. It's a specialized unit responsible for foreign operations. Yona-ke lidila kakhulu nendaba zangaphandle-ke kwezwe-ke. Supporting allied groups and militia across the Middle East, including Hezbollah in Lebanon, Hamas in Gaza, and Houthis in Yemen. Okay, njengoba-ke kusho-ke uphiko olibhekela kakhulu-ke lolo-ke ezangaphandle, shuthi-ke libhekelela lamazwe amanye-ke akhona eMiddle East afana nolokhuza-ke iLebanon, elinye lezwe likhona lapha eduze ko-Iran ekuthiwa iLebanon, nelokhuza-ke nalapha eGaza khona-ke iHamas eGaza siyayazi, eLebanon khona-ke iHezbollah siyazi konke-ke lalamaqembu ahluphe kakhulu-ke impela lamazwe ase-West oMelika nabo-ke impela lamazwe asase-Europe akhala kakhulu ngoHezbollah, baphinde bakhale-ke nangama-Houthi lapha elokhuzeni eYemen. So akhumbula ama-Houthi ukuthi-ke ahlupha kakhulu laphana emikhumbini-ke impela-ke le mikhumbi esuke ithwele amakhago laphana nethwala o-oil laphana banako ukuyihijacka lo mikhumbi, especially eyase-West. Amazwe afana noMelika no-Great Britain bese kuba yibo impela omakhelwane laba Israel. Hayi ahlupheka kakhulu impela ama-Houthi abadlali laphana eYemen. Kuye kwakhona impi nje yokuhlaselana nje soyikhumbula laphana koYemen impela iIsrael ihlasela lapha. So khumbula konke lo nase-Lebanon bebelwa neHezbollah laphana. Bekhala ngayo futhi iIran ukuthi yona isponsor lama-terrorist organization. Bababiza kanjalo-ke. Kodwa mase silandela ukuthi yini lesuke icasula lama-organization ukuthi abahlasele kanje lapho olwandle. So kuyizo-ke izinto ezifana nazo lezi ezingafunwa yi-Iran. Okay, bese kuba yiyona-ke iHamas laphana elokhuzeni eGaza. So ikhumbula indaba yaseGaza liyagcina isingenelelwa uhulumeni wase Africa kungenelela uthi khona i-genocide laphana eyenzwa i-Israel i-unalive abantu baseGaza ePalestine. Uyabo? So-ke umsebenzi weHamas-ke njengoba ibonakala ukuthi isekwa iyona-ke ilokhuza i-Iran. Kusuke kuyilolo zinto enjalo ukuthi-ke ilekelela amazwe akomakhelwane lapha ase-Middle East. So yileyo nto-ke yilona-ke lolu phiko lolu kolibhekela lokho-ke lolu kuthiwa-ke i-IRGC. Singalikhohlwa-ke, it's a Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, which is a elite military and ideological force. Yilona-ke lolu impela-ke olinzima kakhulu laphana kolibhekelela bonke-ke lamaphiko sesiwabalileke oHamas, ama-Houthi ase-Yemen, iHamas yaseGaza bese kuba-ke iHezbollah yase-Lebanon. Yeah, yilo phiko-ke lolu okuthiwa ama-Quds Force olibhekelela labo-ke impela kodwa lingaphansi kwani IRGC. In Iran, IRGC is commonly referred to as a Sepa-e-Pasdaran, which means Army of the Guardians. Ibizwa ukuthi Sepa-e-Pasdaran babaziwa ukuthi ba umbutho wabaqaphi laphana-ke khona-ke e-Iran. Noma bavele babanqamleleke bangalo beshona lena le bavele bathi nje ama-Pastoran. Mama bethi ama-Pastoran basobesho ukuthi-ke abaqaphi. Ilokho nje. Yeah. Reflecting to its role as protectors of revolution. Futhi abantu abagade i-revolution yakhona Iran. Yeah. Internationally, it is often called Iranian Revolutionary Guards. So the IRGC has been designated as a terrorist organization by several countries and by international bodies including the USA, the European Union and Israel. Babizwa ngokuthi ke ba ama-terrorist yilawo mazwe lawo kasentshonalanga ke kakhulukazi ke oMelika, European Union, even nayo ke Israel. Kuyimanje abasempini nayo behlanganise neMelika kuliwa ke ungazi ukuthi ke abantu bahlushwe yini okwenzeka kwelinye izwe. Yilo nto ke inkinga ke ibangwa njengamanje. So ke yilezo inkinga enjalo ke manje ngisho ukuthi singasho sithi iIran iyazivikela. Sizocela ukuthi ni like, ni share le video ke, ni subscribe. Kumnandi kabi nje ukuba nani sibonge nje ngokuthi nisilekelele ekukhuleni kwe-channel yethu esiqandulo. Siloqandule njalo nje. Kuningi okwenzakalayo ke sesikubonileke kulezi insuku ke alamazwe egadlana ihlaselana kwenzeka konke lokhu okwenzakalayo kundiza ama-missile ephambana kanjena abanye bewavika. Kuningi. Kodwa njengamanje singasho sithi impela ke impi hayibambene impela ngoba lelizwe lase-Iran libonakele lihlasela emazweni amanye ase-Middle East la kuyo kwabonakala khona kushayeka khona ke ama-military bases amazwe alelizwe laseMelika kulamazwe amanye okomakhelwane ko-Bahrain, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, impela amabhomu aqhumile impela kulezwe indawo. Kwasolakala yona ke iIran kuthiwa impela yona ehlaselayo. Kodwa khona ke kunye ke ukuhlasela ke okwenzeke eSaudi Arabia. La kuhlaselwe khona ke i-oil refinery enkulukazi labe Saudi Arabia. La ke ukusolakala khona ke iIran yasihlangula ke yathi cha akuthina ke laba bahlasele laphana yase izama ukungena engxoxweni ke neSaudi Arabia ke bahlala phansi ke bawubonisana ke baxoxa sazi ke ukuthi kuphume isinqumo silapho ke ukuthi ngabe ikholiwe ngempela eSaudi Arabia. Kodwa ke ukujabulisa okunye kuzwakala ukuthi kuye kwabanjwa, apparently kubanjwe abantu ke laba babizwa ukuthi ke iIsrael Mossad. Lezi Israel Mossad ababoshwe elokhuzeni eSaudi Arabia ukusolakala ukuthi impela bebehlela ukuhlasela iSaudi Arabia, bebehlela ukubhomba. So ke yilapho ke la ifike ke ikholakale khona ke le ndaba ye oil refinery ebhonjiwe eSaudi Arabia ukuthi no khona ke laba bantu laba abafuna ukuxabanisa lamazwe ase-Middle East kube ngathi kubhomba iIran, ngathi iIran ihlasela amazwe akomakhelwane. Kanti cha, isandla sesitha sishaya lento ebizwa ukuthi i-divide and conquer. Nithi nihlezi kahle bese sichukuluza sishaya umakhelwane kube ngathi ushawo wena seniyaxabana emva kwalapho. Yawu usiyathatha siyasuka uSaudi Arabia usiyolekelela iIsrael ne-USA balwa ne-Iran. Gcina iIran ingasenabo abantu elwa nabo ezwana nabo. So ke esikhathini samanje impela kayi kubi kakhulu. Ezinye futhi ey'ngenayo izokuthi ke amazwe ase-Europe amaningi atshengise ukuthi ayiqhelelanisa nokuseka i-USA bene-Israel kule mpi yabo. Sekungena amazwe amaningi impela amazwe lokugcina esanda ukuqhamuka i-Italy evele yathi impela cha yona impela ngeke ayizi ngoba lento yenziwa laphana i-USA behlangene ne-Israel iphambene kakhulukazi nemithetho yamazwe ahlangene yamazwe omhlaba. Cha nje into engeke semthethweni empeleni. So abakwazi ukubandakanya into enjalo. Ilandela amazwe afana noBritani ke noFrance maningi nje amazwe amaningi ase-Europe athethi cha ageza izandla njengoPilato wona abayingeni lento. Sibonge ngokusibukela wena ufike osibuke wazafika la. Hayi sicela impela ukufaka ibuku impela sibuke size sibonge sinje cha. Salute. Siyabonga nje. Shibirishi siyashibilika.